Time to go switch up my style. Never could buy, I'm on trial. Shit, just give me the number, I'll dial it. Haven't felt this in a while. It's time to go.
Hello. We're making another Ikea run today. It's my day off and I'm still working on furnishing the house. Right now I'm really focused on the living room, so I'm just getting living room stuff because not everything's gonna fit in my home. But I'm really tired. I slept at 2 and it's 8 a.m. Yeah. I got nothing else to say really. I'm still waking up. I need to eat. Shut up, stop looking at me. That shit burned, bro. My sectional came in. Yes, it looks really good. It matches the walls really well. It's like an off-white beige type of deal. That was a pretty successful Ikea haul.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, coming in with the meatballs, friend.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You can do groceries and get furniture here at Ikea.
It's the best way.
Say it, yeah. Kakao. What is that actually? Say it again. It's a big game. What was that one?
Organic fruit spread.
Right. That's in Swedish. Gotta go get the $1 yogurt cup, man.
Yeah,
it's only $1. He's gonna go. Deranged Fran is gonna go get a $1 yogurt cup. You gonna get it? You gonna get it? You ready, boy?
You ready, boy?
I got all my stuff from Ikea, so now the goal is to fit everything in here again. You already know.
Down, I thought you might just need a hand. Ain't no telling what the future holds.
Guys, we fit it all in a Civic. We did it. Hey, if you guys need a packing crew right here.
864.
864 represent. Everything's folded up and pushed to the front, but that's okay. Good looks, boys. Thank you.
No problem.
We got cinnamon bun.
Watch me bleed, tryna bring me to my knees, but I told them let me breathe, yeah, told them let me be. They don't understand me. Stab my back and watch me bleed, tryna bring me to my knees, but I told them let me breathe, yeah, told them let me be. They don't understand, falling so fast. But somehow you always last. I don't even wanna do this shit anymore. I don't think you even give a shit anymore. Believe me, peace easy. Leave your lust and leave your ego at the door, of course.
Bang, baby, you're right in the middle. Last things I gotta do are drill these 2 little holes right here, just to make sure it's all sturdy and whatnot. And then I'm gonna open up the other shelf that I have, try to mount it on there, see if it looks okay. Bro, I love Ikea. Turned out perfectly. Now I have a place to put whatever the heck I want, really. I was thinking about probably doing plants right here. This is like the fit. Hold on. Went to go run once I finished those shelves back there. Now we back. I gotta build the lac shelves. I still have so much stuff to build. But right now I'm just gonna go ahead and attack the lac shelves. Maybe, might mount them, might not. Maybe might do it tomorrow morning. I'm definitely not gonna build the best of TV unit. I'm tired.
For the night I'm dropping for it. Take a seat by a pool. I got bottles and a driver. I got backwards and a liar. Say I'm good but I'm a liar. Hey,
Trying to line it up with the stud. And I'll show you the whole process on the second one. I'm still doing, you know, I'm trying the first one, then I'm out the second one with you guys. But look at how ghetto that is. That is so unsafe. All the weight is totally not on just one side of that platform, but you know, I'm just trying to line it up, make it look nice. Oh, I swear to God, if it falls, it's totally my fault. Got the other one up, looks pretty good. You know, I was up at like 10 p.m. last night having a struggle with all that. I had to go to the attic just to get a taller chair because I don't have a step ladder and I can't reach the top. And I'm short because I'm Asian and I'm only 5'8" and that's our max height. That was a whole spiral.
Turning goofy to believer, make her eye, then she ooh, told me just a little higher. I came back out the blue for the night, I'm dropping fire. Take a seat by a pool, I got bottles and a driver. I got backwards and a liar, say I'm good but I'm a liar. It like spot spaceship, too high, need a grill. Bad lips, big